Hey, good morning, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and this is a little X-Acto set. Some good old-fashioned tester's glue, cutting plier, and a needle nose plier. And this is a very old kit that I got a long time ago that I never built. The model power and scale motorized building. It's a windmill. Don't know if anything's in here. Let's see these instructions. Doesn't look too complicated. Main structure, tower, the actual propeller fan or wind sails. Not sure what the windmill windy part is called. This all goes together. Oh, here's what it looks like. Even though it's N scale, and I have mostly HO, I do have some N scale, and N scale looks okay in the background of an HO layout because it's, I guess they call it forced perspective. And it just makes the windmill look that much farther away. So, definitely seems to be a lot of parts in here. Ooh, here's the motor unit. It's the heart of it. I hope this works. Alright, well, I'll get back to you and let you know how it goes. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification button. Bye for now.